95% of car owners are missing out on features they already paid for. But here's the kicker. One of them could prevent a $3,000 engine repair, and most drivers ignore it. A small mistake at the gas pump lets dirt creep into your fuel system, leading to clogged injectors and costly damage. The best part? Your car already has a built-in solution. So before you waste another dollar, watch this list of 8 secret car features no one talks about, because skipping this could cost you a lot of time. Let's dive in. Feature number 1. Remote key fob special functions. Key fobs have become increasingly sophisticated, boasting as many as 15 features. Here are 3 that very few people know of. 1. Closing and opening windows from outside the vehicle. Did you know you can remotely roll down the windows and sometimes even the sunroof? There are 2 ways to do this. The first involves pressing and holding the unlock button for 3 seconds. This works on Kia, Volkswagen, and Hyundai. In a Honda or Volvo, press the unlock button once, then press and hold. The second way to operate the windows from outside the car is by using the key. Put the key into the driver's side keyhole and unlock the car. Then turn the key clockwise again and hold until the windows come down. Do the opposite to close the windows. Second, mirror folding. Many new cars automatically fold wing mirrors when you lock the car. But in some other cars, you can do this with the key fob instead. If you own a GMC or Chevrolet pickup or a BMW, press and hold the lock button to fold them in. On newer Hondas, press the lock button once, then hold it a second time. 3. Remote start. According to the Consumer Technology Association, 90% of all new cars were supposed to come with remote start from 2021. While that hasn't happened, many cars now have this feature. If your key fob has a circular arrow, then it has it. However, even some cars without this button have this feature. On a new Lexus, Mazda, or Toyota, click the lock button twice, then press and hold on the third click. On a BMW, click the lock button 3 times in quick succession. Other features in key fobs include car summon, hidden mechanical keys, and remote park. Go through your car's manual to discover which hidden gems you're missing. Before then, let's get to the next car feature people don't know. Feature number 2. Color-coded engine components. Did you know there is a reason why different engine parts have different colors? Car manufacturers do this intentionally to tell you what you can fix or change yourself and what you should leave to the pros. The covers for all fluids tend to be yellow or blue, like the oil dipstick. In other cars, they might be red or green. Bright colors make it easy to identify where to put fluids, so you don't have to waste money on a mechanic. The black or gray parts, like the engine block, should be handled by experts. Understanding this hidden feature could save you money, and the next could save lives. Feature number 3. Road condition indicators. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, approximately 156,000 crashes occur annually due to icy road conditions. Manufacturers have devised several low-tech and high-tech solutions for this. The most common low-tech solution is the snowflake dashboard light or frost warning light. It appears as a snowflake in the middle of the road. This symbol is yellow when the temperature drops below a certain threshold and goes red if it gets even lower. The temperature threshold is different for cars. For example, the light comes on in a Volkswagen when the outside temperature goes below 39 degrees Fahrenheit. In a Toyota, that threshold is 37 degrees Fahrenheit. Volvo has taken this technology one step further with connected safety. The company gathers information from all cars on the road. And feature number 4. Hidden storage. Jeep is the master of this game. For roughly a decade, every Grand Cherokee has had at least one hidden compartment. Jeep's has alerts cars on that route. Some fun with its customers by not revealing where it is. This makes the car more secure because thieves won't know where you've hidden your valuables. Besides safety, hidden compartments make the car more organized and help you maximize space. Several other brands also have secret stashes. The Infiniti G35 has a concealed hole in the rear armrest for a first aid kit or other tidbits. Volkswagen Golfs have a hidden compartment under the driver's seat. The Toyota Hilux has a hidden dash compartment that doubles as a cool box, which is great for road trips. The next hidden feature is also something Jeep does pretty well. Feature number 5. Easy Fill Tire Alert. Nobody enjoys filling up a flat tire. Nissan found a way to make it less boring. In 2008, the Japanese car maker introduced Easy Fill Tire Alert. Instead of physically checking when your tire is full, your car automatically lets you know. To activate this feature, the vehicle first needs to be in park with the parking brake activated. Switch off the engine but leave the ignition in the on position. You can then begin filling the tires. The exterior lights will start flashing to show that the Easy Fill Alert is active. Once the tire reaches the correct PSI, the car will honk. If it honks again and flashes the hazard lights, the tire is overinflated. This feature is available on popular Nissan models, such as the Rogue, Altima, Pathfinder, and a few others. Other brands have introduced Easy Fill alerts to their lineups, including GMC. This feature is found in the Suburban, Escalade, Tahoe, Yukon. It also comes with the Jeep Grand Cherokee. If you are considering a Jeep Grand Cherokee, you might want to watch our video on the 5 worst and 7 best SUVs you could buy this 2025. Feature number 6, fuel gauge arrows. If you bought a new car or are renting one, how do you know which side the gas tank is? This might seem like a small issue, but it causes confusion and embarrassment at gas stations. There is a very easy way to know. Every fuel gauge has a gas pump sign on it with a little arrow indicating where the gas tank is located. This feature is particularly helpful when you must top up in the middle of the road. In case you were wondering, this feature isn't new. Cars have had this for decades, just like the next feature. Feature number 7, fuel cap holder. It is nearly impossible to find a car that doesn't have a fuel cap holder, also called a gas cap holder. But a shocking number of drivers don't use it. A dangling gas cap isn't just an eyesore, it's a potential engine killer. Many drivers let it hang from the tether while refueling, scratching the paint and increasing the risk of dirt and debris sneaking into the gas tank. Others place the cap on the roof or trunk, picking up grime that can make its way into your fuel system. Over time, contaminants can clog fuel injectors, damage the fuel pump, and even lead to complete engine failure. That's a $3,000+ repair bill waiting to happen. And here's the kicker, it takes 2 seconds to prevent this mess. The fuel cap holder is right on the gas tank door, designed to keep your engine safe and your wallet intact. It's one of those small, overlooked features that make a huge difference. Feature number 8, anti-glare features. Headlight glare is a problem for all drivers, especially the elderly. It is why 14% of drivers over 65 avoid driving at night. That is why anti-glare features are crucial. The simplest and oldest version is the anti-glare button on rear-view mirrors. By flicking this button at the bottom of the mirror, you reduce glare, improve visibility, and boost safety. Shockingly, very few people use this. That is why newer cars have digital mirrors instead. Digital mirrors are tiny TV screens connected to a camera on the back of the car. Another feature that helps reduce glare is adaptive headlights. These lights change depending on road conditions and can automatically dim to avoid blinding drivers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.